This 2023 Lance TT 1875 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Lance is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features a Grayson interior, sleeps 4, refrigerator, air conditioning, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, auxiliary battery, TV, spare tire kit, slide-out, water heater, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear bath, rear dinette, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Lance TT 1875 is 5,170 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.